Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to capitalize the first letter of each word in Excel, even when the source cells contain a mix of capital and lowercase letters. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. To make the first letter of each word in a cell a capital letter, start by clicking into the cell where you'd like to see the result. We will use the function proper, so start by typing an equal sign followed by the word proper. We will now select the function. Identify the cell containing the text you want to capitalize the first letter of each word. In our example, this is cell B3 here. So let's select this cell and add a closing bracket. Now, let's press Enter and you're done. To copy the function to the rest of the rows, select the bottom right-hand corner of the cell and drag it down. Additionally, this will ensure that the first letter of each word in the data is capitalized. Here are the results as we wished. Each word in the text has been changed so that the first letter is capitalized and the remaining letters are lowercase, regardless of how the original text was formatted. There is one problem we can run into. If you make any alterations to the source cell, the changes will be reflected in the converted text. This is happening because we applied a function to C3, which capitalizes the first letter of each word. This is easily overcome. If we do not wish to include the function in the data table, but instead only store the values that have been converted, what would be the best way to do this? It is quite simple to accomplish. Let's look. Let's first copy the contents of the cells, use the Control key and the letter C while the converted data is selected. We can quickly and easily paste the values in the same location by selecting the Paste option at the top. To do this, we must choose the Values option. We ensure that all cells only contain the converted text by doing this. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.